guys, KalyxAllure here, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to achieve this top knot bun. This is actually my first time doing it, but it looked decent, so keep watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and comment more videos I should do too. Other than that, all the products and stuff I use will be in the description box below, so just make sure you look there. Other than that, let's get into the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is split your hair in half so you can get like a more sleek look. After you split it in half, you're going to want to flat iron each side to make sure it's real flat. If you're doing edges for this style, make sure you take them out before you do your ponytail to avoid any extra hairs coming out. If you're using edge control for this style, make sure you don't use too much. After making sure your hair is sleek, you're going to repeat the same process for the back of your head. Comb up the back of your hair before applying any edge control or freeze spray if that's what you happen to be using. After combing up the back, apply the edge control with the comb and continue the same process to make sure it's real sleek and flat. This part is really an option, but I apply oil to the rubber band to avoid any hair breakage. And make sure y'all have a mirror because I promise this makes the process so much easier. I apply a third rubber band just in case any other ones pop. This is what your ponytail should look like after you finish. This is what the hair look like, and this is the oil I'll be using just to protect my hair from breaking off. This is the edge control I use, and I use this on my ponytail so there won't be any flyaways. Now for this part, you just want to take the rubber band from the braiding here and wrap it around your actual ponytail like 2 to 3 times. And make sure it's at the bottom and not the top so there won't be a gap or anything. After you make sure it's at the bottom, you're going to want to take like a small piece of hair and wrap it around the rubber band, as you can see right here. Next, you're going to just want to twist and wrap and just continue that same process. For the last strand, you're just going to want to wrap it around the bun and blow dry it. Now this part is optional, but I'm going to do my baby hairs because it just makes the style look so much cuter. Okay guys, this is the final result. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.